KatersAcres. This is what our landing page normally looks like. You're going to go to Sculpting Club at the top and hover and drop down to the Members Corner link and go ahead and give that a click. Once there, you'll enter your login information. I like to click on the Remember Me button and click Log In. From there, you will be taken to the brand new membership page. There on the membership page, you'll notice a brand new left-hand sidebar menu. In your membership section, you'll see a new expires and a new bill on date. If you joined before September 15th, 2018, you'll see an NA there. It just means that I have automatically added you to the membership program, and if you want to change your membership, you'll have to contact me. But you will see some accounting information at the bottom of that left-hand portal, and you'll see some membership and subscription information. Now let's go ahead and click on the membership link, and that will take you to the Whimsical Sculpting Tutorials Club membership section. From here, you will be able to see the new content that is posted. These will be in the form of blog posts that you can access for members only. All of your tutorials will automatically be added and loaded into the products section for you every month. You will notice that every month the balance on your tutorials is $0. This will enable you from this method by quickly adding to your cart, viewing cart, and checking out in an expedient manner. However, the preferred download method for your tutorials is always to click on the headline for the tutorial of the month. This will give you all of the information you need for the tutorials. It'll tell you all about them, what you will be learning, and give you the information that you need. You can add to your cart directly from that page, and as always, click on the View to Cart, which will take you directly to your cart. From there, it is the same process. This time, you don't need any coupons. The total is, once again, zeroed out for you. Notice that with each tutorial month, there will be certain projects that already have the membership discount applied that you can quickly and easily add to your cart to supplement your tutorial for additional learning if you so choose. Again, these tutorials already have your member discount applied. Simply proceed to checkout. Fill in your billing details. If you have already logged in, this will be done for you. Click that you agree to the terms of the site. Place your order. From there, all you need to do is click on each part of the tutorial package as normal to download them to your computer. And that's it. You're done. One of the best perks of the Whimsical Sculpting Tutorials Club is the 25% off discount. To get it, simply click on the discount section of your membership. From there, you will see all of the tutorials all lined up in a row, and there you will see the 25% off discount already given for you. From there, you can add to your cart very quickly and easily from the right-hand sidebar and advance through the pages as you would in the normal shopping section. If, however, you forget to do this, don't worry. As long as you're logged into your account, you can shop the traditional way, and you will notice that you already have member discounts applied to each and every available discounted item. Remember that discounts are not always available on everything in the shop. Another new feature you'll notice in your membership area is this little section called Notes. This Notes section is available between me, Katie Oskin, the owner of KatersAcres, and you, the owner of your account. Anytime I need to communicate with something to you privately, you'll see that I will leave you a little note in the area here of your account. Managing your account and your membership on KatersAcres is now a little bit more streamlined if you joined the club membership after September 15, 2018. You will see that you are able to cancel your membership. Again, this only applies after September 15, 2018. If you go to your My Account page under your subscriptions and you see that there is nothing there, you will need to contact PayPal to unsubscribe or to withdraw from your payments, your monthly payments to KatersAcres in order to change your subscription and your membership. Or again, you can contact me. Otherwise, if you signed up for the club after September 15th, you can do all your subscription management right here on the site. I thank you so much for being a part of the membership and the club here at KatersAcres, and I can't wait to take a journey with you. Be sure to contact me if you have any questions at katie@KatersAcres.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.